The shipping rates for a product are set by assigning a shipping template to each product. These set the domestic shipping, the international shipping if that is required, and also the services available. So for example, for domestic shipping, you could offer a standard service and also an expedited service. Shipping templates are either assigned at the product level or they can be uploaded in bulk by using the inventory uploader file. Shipping templates can be edited by going to Settings, then Shipping Templates. You can create up to 20 different shipping templates. We click on a template which has already been created here and then do Edit. We can see how to edit a shipping template. Template is divided into domestic shipping options and international shipping options. The choice is whether to do it per item and then weight based, which is what is set up here. There's a price per order and then a price per kilo. Remembering that the shipping weight is set up also by the inventory loader file. Or you can do price banded. Here's an example of a price banded template. You see the band goes from 0 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 and above. If I was to change 30 to 40, it'll add an extra band and you can set the shipping price here. Also for each zone there is a transit time that can be set and you can select whether to ship to street and PO box or not. PO box sometimes can be difficult to ship to. Individually for domestic shipping and international shipping, you would set the zone, you would set the service and then set the price as we've already discussed. So let us create a new delivery rule for the UK. We're going to set one here for BFPO, which is British Forces Posted Overseas. It would come up with the new zone here and we can choose the transit time and also the pricing. For international delivery, it's a little bit different. If you click, we can go to the bottom here and add a new delivery rule. It'll grey out the areas which we already ship to. So we can choose something here, for example, we choose East Asia, let's choose Mongolia. It will then add Mongolia to the list and we can then assign the transit time and also the pricing. If you want to add expedited delivery to international, it's the same. You need to add a delivery rule, the zones, and then the pricing. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.